Hey, how's it going, guys? There are so many of you out there who've been asking me for tips on the best side gigs to start before the new year. You seem to want to do it without any investment involved, from anywhere in the world and as a complete beginner. Well, here on Next Level Finance, your wish is my command. And so for today's video, I'm going to be talking about another easy peasy method that has the potential to make you some decent money without any pre-required set of skills or training. And so if you want to learn all there is to learn about this new strategy that I researched just for you, then make sure you stick around for the entire video. This is Next Level Finance, the space where we feature the best and the easiest, most legit ways to make money online. So if this is your jam, then what are you waiting for? Make sure that you like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell below to make sure that you don't miss out on a single one of our uploads. And with all of that said, let's go make some money. The very first thing I want you to do would be to head over to this website called clearvoice.com. And ClearVoice is a space where businesses, from small to medium enterprises, all the way up to multinational conglomerates, go for their content management needs. There are many freelance opportunities for everyday people just like you and me. And depending on your skill set, you could choose which one you can do the most easily. But what we'll be focusing on today is something that's beginner friendly. I will teach you how to sign up as a freelance writer on this site, even if you only have the writing skills of a 6th grader. I'll explain how and why in a bit, but for now, let's talk more about the opportunity here on ClearVoice. So over on clearvoice.com, I want you to click on Talent Network over here, and you'll see that just like I said earlier, there are different types of jobs that they accept freelancers to do. For example, content strategists, designers, videographers, etc. But the task that we'll be working on today will be writing. And no, I will not be teaching you how to write, nor will I ask you to use PLR products for this job. Instead, what we'll be using is a free bot tool that will do most of the work for you, again, for free. And I'll be revealing what it is exactly, so don't go anywhere until you finish this video. Let's go through the step-by-step process right now. The first thing you need to do would be to sign up as a freelancer on ClearVoice, and you can do that by going to Talent Network over here and then just click on Join the Talent Network. Now, because ClearVoice's talents have certain requirements, you'll need to fill out a CV so that ClearVoice can match you with clients whose projects you want to take on. And if you have no idea where to start, you can check out the categories they serve, which you'll also find under Talent Network right over here. When filling out this page, you can try to be as detailed as you can in adding your social media accounts, because doing so will help you get more jobs as the clients try to get to know you better. Another tip that I have is that you use high quality, professional looking pictures for your profile, and you need to choose a witty and grammatically correct tagline as well. For some inspiration, I suggest that you check out the top writers for ClearVoice, which you can access under the Writer tab of the website's Talent Network. Let's take a look at this top writer over here. Her name is Katie Hall. See, she doesn't even use her own picture, just an avatar, but her write-up is very clear, and the clients can learn exactly what she specializes in by reading this. If you scroll down a little, you'll see some of the articles that Katie Hall has written and has allowed her to earn hundreds, if not thousands of dollars here on ClearVoice. And while that's great, she's probably a really talented writer. You, as a beginner, can also make money here with just the skill of a 6th grader, as long as you're willing to edit and improve. And here's how. Let's start with the sample work that you'll need to fill your page with. You don't need to write anything yourself because, like I said, there's this AI bot that will do that for you. So let's say you've selected a category already, let's say health and fitness. You can go ahead and visit Google right now and search for a good article in your selected niche. This could be something like how to lose weight or even the best healthy habits to include in your New Year's resolution, or how to transition from meat eater to vegetarian, something like that. Now see, a ton of these articles have appeared, and what I want you to do next would be to pick one of these and open it. Now obviously we cannot just copy the entire thing and upload it on your Clear Voice profile. That's illegal. It's called plagiarism, and it will get you into a lot of trouble. But what you can do is copy that text and paste it onto this bot that I will reveal to you right now. So let's head on over to this website. Right now it's called quillbot.com, and as you can see, it's a 100% free to use tool that will paraphrase any text that you paste into this box. Let's try it out right now. So with the text from the article, paste it onto this space over here and click on paraphrase. Voila, you have a brand new article. Now, I did tell you that you need to have the writing skills of a 6th grader, right? And that's because you'll still need to proofread the text and check for any errors manually. Quillbot is AI after all, and it's sometimes unavoidable to have a few errors here and there. Besides checking manually, I also recommend that you use a tool such as Grammarly to help ensure that everything is grammatically sound before you post these samples on your profile or even submit work to clients. So let's try this out. I think I want to go for this article. It's called 29 Easy Ways to Lose Weight Backed by Science. Now let me copy the intro over here and paste it on Quillbot. Instantly, the text is rewritten from this to this. If you're not satisfied with the turnout, simply click on rephrase again and it should give you another version of the file. Once you find the copy to your liking, you can then run it through Grammarly. I don't think I see any grammatical errors here, but to be sure, let's do that anyway. You can use the free version of Grammarly on Google Docs or Microsoft Word as long as you have the plugin for it. So I want you to do this for the remainder of the article to make sure that your work is of high quality and sounds human, not AI. Once you're done, I'll want you to save the file in PDF and simply upload it on your Clear Voice profile by clicking on Add Content right here. After which, all that will be left for you to do would be to fill out the rest of the details like category, primary role, description, and then click Update. As is the norm on YouTube, thumbnails do play an important role in the number of clicks you get. So for your Clear Voice article, you can simply search for a suitable image on unsplash.com. All the photos here are free to use and you won't encounter any copyright issues whatsoever. Once you have that done, you can then proceed to pricing your work with a rate that you'll be happy with. So depending on you, that can range from $50 all the way up to $500 or even more if you want. Payout will be done instantly via PayPal, which is just super convenient. Well guys, didn't I tell you that was easy? I do hope you try this out and get started on it right away, because doing so will give you a head start and help you slay all of those 2022 financial goals of yours. If you enjoyed today's content and learned something new, I would appreciate a like, a share, and would love to have you as a part of our growing family over here on YouTube, so make sure that you subscribe and hit that notification bell as well. Drop us a comment to let us know which categories you're considering to write about, and also feel free to ask us anything at all. I would be more than happy to help you out. Alrighty guys, take care and I'll see you again on the next one.